I'm a huge fan of using ice to treat any type of ailment that I may have, maybe on my lower back, on my legs, on my feet. I mean, I'm sure you're the same way. And typically, it would be used with this. I would have this in the freezer, which was in the freezer, and the beads are cold. And yes, it feels fantastic for a little bit. And then you could use these that last a little longer, but are rock solid and kind of like do not form to your skin, to your shape, right? They're fine, but they're not the best. This here, this little contraption here, I've never seen anything like it, and I'm sure you're in the same boat as I. So you do have kind of that thermos, that canister where water and ice is going to be, and then you've got those two tubes coming out, and I'll show you that exactly how this works. And this is the padding that actually will be on you, whether it's on your leg, on your shoulders, on your arms, on your back, and you can strap it properly, right? So this will be on your skin or even just like top of your clothes, and it already feels fantastic, and I'll show you exactly why. So it works like this. I've got water in here, and there's two different hoses. One's a pump and one's a fill back. So it literally is a loop. So the water goes into a loop, cold water goes onto this pad, cools you, and then it literally just goes like this all the time. So basically, it's continuously cold. You don't have to run back to the fridge or the freezer to put back your ice pack in there. It will remain cold as long as there's ice and cold water in here, which is what I just did here. What you need to do is add the water first, put in the pump, make sure it's submerged, just like that. Make sure both pipes are submerged, and then add your ice. They even say you can even add icy water or even these things right in here, because that will help it. And then you close, make sure that this opening here is for the hoses, so it's closed perfectly right here. Now, this is the fun part, because this little remote actually will turn on the whole thing. We'll turn on the pump, and we'll make sure that the flow happens. So I'm gonna turn it on, just like that. Right away, I feel water flowing through all of these little compartments right here. And I can decide if I want to have, let's go and I'm gonna go 60 minutes at high. There you go, now I'm at the max. And what this essentially does, it will keep it cold. As long as there's cold water in here, which is basically going to last a lot longer than these contraptions, which I love. And I love the fact that you can literally, I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Look at this. I can, boom. Right now, it is wild how cold the entirety of my leg is. Feels fantastic. And I love the fact that it's not also going to wet my clothing, which is great. It stays dry, and that's super, super important. The other cool thing too is if ever, for any reason, the pump gets displaced and is no longer pumping water, this thing will actually tell you and stop pumping. So there is a kind of a foolproof in there. But yeah, it's so, so nice. Obviously, you're tethered to the actual unit here, but it's still a whole lot better than using these things that literally, at this point, just the duration of this video, this is warm already, so no longer good to use. And this, icy cold. It's fantastic.